Hello, God is good. Hello mga ka-friends. Here am I. Going kami doon sa, hindi ko alam anong lugar yon. Kakain daw kami ng tinulang manok at saka
naman tayo gasolina. O di na, tayo kikwarta. Ayun po ang istoryahan.
kakain kami ng putong balanghoy doon. Sa to nga lugar, Lin? Unsa nga lugar?
Amungon.
Amungon.
Lang sis
Lang-
Yayang.
Ilang Sister Yayang at Brad Ruel, Amungon. By the way pala, nasa Bayugan City kami ngayon, Agusan del Sur, sa Mindanao po.
Hello guys.
Oo. I take this one lang as a remembrance. Maganda pala talaga kung may remembrance. Kaya matiguang minamitan ang.
Yeah, right.
Kaya, let's go na. Okay guys, we are now riding at motorcycle together with Abby. Show your face, Abby, kaya it's a remembrance for us.
Yun, no?
Oh, 2 years,
Guys.
4 years from now, we have a remembrance
Wow.
riding at motorcycle here.
Guys, na.
So, nandun yung dalawa na iwan, guys.